How to hide read receipts on WhatsApp on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn off blue ticks so people can't see when you've read their messages. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. From there, tap the three dots at the top right of the screen to open the menu. After that, tap Settings, then tap Privacy. At this point, scroll down until you see Read Receipts. Following this, tap the toggle next to Read Receipts to turn it off. Once disabled, the people you message will only see a single or double gray tick instead of blue, so they won't be able to tell when you've actually opened and read their message. Keep in mind, this setting works both ways. If you turn off Read Receipts, you also won't be able to see when others have read your messages either. It also doesn't apply to group chats, where individual read status still works the same as before. And it has no effect on voice messages, which always show whether they've been played. That's how you hide read receipts on WhatsApp. If this was useful, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then!